going to show you two drinks today, which are my favorite drinks from Mexico. They are Margarita and CoronaRita, both signature drinks from Mexico. I just love them. So let's start. I'm going to make like 2 glasses of Margarita first. Take the cocktail shaker, fill up about half with ice, and I'm going to use Hornito today for making the Margarita. You don't have to use the most expensive tequila. If you're having tequila shots, you can go with Patron, but I'm just going to use Hornito. So 1.5 ounce of Hornito. I'm making 2 glasses, so I'm going to make 2. And always use fresh ingredients for your drinks. Don't use margarita mix, it doesn't taste that well. Fresh ingredients, I'm going to use lime. If the lime is like pretty big size, you can just use like 1 lime for like 2 drinks. Otherwise, you can actually use like 1 lime in 1 drink. So I'm making 2 drinks. I'm just going to use 2 limes. Squeeze the lime. There goes the first half, and there goes the second half. I'm going to rim my glass with the Margarita Salt. What you can do is this lime that I actually squeezed, you can just squeeze this half of the lime, and you can actually just gently put the lime on the rim of the glass. And then I have some Margarita Salt here. I'm just going to salt my cocktail glass with the salt. So here goes my glass that I'm going to be using for Margarita. I have already poured Hornito here and the lime juice here. I'm going to use triple sec now. So 1 ounce of triple sec per glass. So I'm going to use 2 ounces. Two ounces of triple sec, and then just a little bit of organic agave. It just gives a really nice flavor to your margarita. So just a little bit for 1 glass, a little bit for another glass. I just need a little bit of more ice in that, and then give a good shake. Time to pour. So here goes your regular margarita. I'm going to pour, and I'll show you another drink, the CoronaRita, that I'm actually making here. For CoronaRita, I'm actually using a different cocktail glass. This is a heavy glass and a little thick glass because the quantity of this will be quite a lot. I'm going to use, so if you want regular margarita, just straight up, just use it without the rocks. But I'm going to use margarita on the rocks. You can actually put a little bit of ice in the glass and then just pour. There goes your regular margarita. And I'm going to just garnish it with a slice of lime, a lime wheel. I'm just going to cut the lime into half. I'm going to cut the wheel. There goes your regular margarita. And I'm going to put some rocks on the other glass. I'm going to pour the rest of the margarita in this glass and leave a little bit, so fill it up halfway. Don't fill it full, because the rest of the glass I'm gonna pour Corona in that. Make sure your bottle is absolutely clean. I've actually already cleaned it up a little bit. And this is where you need the skill of pouring it. And you just have to do it quick, and you have to topple the whole Corona into the glass. Make sure you have the heavy glass, because if you have the bottle upside down, the glass can topple over. So here goes it. Cool, thank you.